That grass. Give me the grass. I'm gonna make a shoe tie lace.
Hello, everyone,
And welcome to
the Biology Bros Nature Walk.
Hi, I'm Zach.
And I'm Noah. And I'm David.
Today's episode will be very interesting.
Yes.
In today's episode, me and Noah will be separating in the woods.
Using our phones, we'll have different views, and we'll see who can find the most interesting things.
Okay, so I just left David and Noah, and I'm on my own somewhere in the forest. I think I'm pretty far away from them. I don't know how long we have, so what I'm trying to do is find interesting things. And I've already found one thing, actually. So I found this bundle of mushrooms. They're orange. Here, okay. They're right there. I think they're pretty cool looking. They're orange. They kind of look like pumpkins. So I'm gonna continue looking on. I think Noah went a lot farther up than me. So I don't know exactly where he is. I know that he's up farther enough, so I'm not gonna go too far up because I don't want to get into his zone. But yeah.
Okay, so I was walking, and this is actually like really cool. Like, I don't know if you can see this yet, but hold on. So there's like all these fallen trees, and there's like, hold on, what is this? Let me get in here. Let's get over this log. Okay. There's like this big mound of like dirt. Hold on. Like right here. What is this? That's a cobweb. Okay, hold on. Let me go around there. Whoa, that. Okay, this. It's like uproot. It's like the ground is like uprooted. I don't know if you can see that. It's like all like rocks and roots and stuff. That's really cool. And then there's just the grass on top. Yeah. I mean, that's pretty cool, I guess. And then there's just other stuff around here, like a lot of moss everywhere. I mean, I guess it makes sense that there's moss. It's a forest. But there's just a lot of trees falling over here. Like, even over here. Right here, like, look at all this. Like, there's just mounds of branches that have just fallen over. It's just, I don't know, it's just a lot of stuff falling over. That's cool. It's like, I didn't even notice that. The mound that was like uprooted, that's like half, those trees are like connected to it. So they were like from that. They were like in it, and then it fell somehow.
So I'm gonna look for stuff. So this is what? Actually, what is that? Okay, so this is pretty cool. I think some sort of acorn. Looks cool on the inside. There's a lot of fallen trees here, like this one. Pretty cool looking. And it looks like they've been fallen. They've fell a pretty long time ago. As you can see, they're really moist and soggy. I think they're rotten, actually. There's a lot of moss on it, so wouldn't want to be around when they fell. Okay, so try to find some other stuff. So there's let's see. I'm not picking this up because I make it. Looks like some sort of, can you see it? It's right there. Some sort of skull. A bird or something? I don't know. It's scary. So, oh wow. This looks definitely man-made here. But like a tarp. Kind of made a waterfall. Pretty cool. Makes that water there really dirty though. Huh. Okay. So, let's see. Bug. Is there anything else interesting? Spiderweb. Guess spiderwebs are interesting. Can't really see them get them on camera. It's there.
Okay, update. So I was just walking some more, and I found, so there's a creek that runs through like this whole thing, and so there's like this really cool, like, I'll try and get this in the shot. It's like a rock waterfall thing in the creek, which is really cool. It's like a rapids kind of thing. Well, not, obviously not a rapids, but you know what I mean. And there's just a lot of rocks. There's a lot of moss-covered rocks in this creek. I mean, obviously there's gonna be a lot of rocks in a creek, but it just seems like there's a lot in this one in specific.
Okay, so I found this pretty, it's like a log. Looks like it fell. It's blocking all the water. It's like a natural bridge. It's right here. Like a natural bridge. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's scary though. I feel like I'm gonna fall. I'm actually gonna take a little break. I'm a little bit tired actually. Been out here pretty much all day, you know? But it's really fun. Whew. Well, see you when I wake up.
I'm not. I don't know if you heard that. I don't really know what that was. It might have been like an animal or something. It sounded a lot like a scream. It's probably nothing. It's probably nothing. I don't know. But so yeah, just wanted to bring an update. I doubt Zach found anything cooler than this. I mean, just look at that. That is really cool. So, I mean, yeah. What the heck? I think I just heard like an animal or something, like running. Hold on. Let me try and get, where can I go around here? Try and find that. That'd be cool if I could get that as a shot. Okay, where can I go around here? Just getting through here. What the, hold on. What is this? It's like, wait, let me get to this. It's like Zach's, let me try and get this in the shot. It's Zach's hat is just laying here on like a stick or something. I don't even know what, why is there just, He must have, maybe he like tripped. He just, what the? Zach!
Zach!
I think he's like dead. Okay, so Zach's dead. I don't really know how that just happens. I mean, I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive we're the only ones in this forest. Like, you don't just die. Like, his hat was on the... David, like, what happened? Did you hear what happened to Zach? He's
No.
dead.
Oh, really? Zach's dead.
Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing? God, David! David!
Sorry, we're experiencing some technical difficulties. But you won't need to worry about this channel for a while.